How can I know if someone has deleted me from their contacts?
Hey there, welcome to today's video. Have you ever wondered if someone has deleted you from their contacts? It can be a bit challenging to figure out, but don't worry, I'm here to help. In this video, I'll provide you with some tips and tricks to determine if someone has deleted you from their contacts. So, let's dive right in.
Check for their presence in your contacts.
The first step is to check if the person is still present in your contacts. Open your contact list and scroll through to find the person's name. If you can't locate them, it might indicate that they have deleted you from their contacts. However, this method isn't foolproof, as they might have changed their phone number or simply not saved your contact information.
Look for changes in communication.
Another way to detect if someone has deleted you from their contacts is to observe any changes in your communication. If you used to receive regular calls, messages, or notifications from this person, but suddenly those interactions have significantly decreased or stopped altogether, it could be a sign that you've been deleted from their contacts. However, keep in mind that various factors could influence this, such as busy schedules or a change in their communication habits.
Monitor social media connections.
Social media platforms can provide valuable clues about someone's intention to remove you from their contacts. Here's what you can do. Step 1. Check friends or followers lists. Visit the person's social media profile on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn. Look for any changes in your connection status. If you were friends or followers previously, but now you can't find them in your friend list or followers list, it might indicate that they have removed you. Step 2. Check mutual friends or connections. If you have mutual friends or connections with the person, take a look at their profiles. Check if you can still see the person in their friend list or connections. If they've been removed or if you notice any changes, it could suggest that they've deleted you from their contacts.
Consider other factors.
While the previous methods can provide some insight, it's essential to consider other factors that could contribute to the situation. Here are a few additional points to keep in mind. Privacy settings. The person may have adjusted their privacy settings, which could limit your visibility or interactions with them on certain platforms. Lost phone or account. It's possible that the person has lost their phone or experienced an issue with their account, resulting in a temporary loss of contact. Communication breakdown. Sometimes, people naturally drift apart or lose touch due to various reasons. It may not necessarily mean that they have deleted you from their contacts. That's a wrap for today's video. I hope these tips have shed some light on how to determine if someone has deleted you from their contacts. Remember, it's essential to approach these situations with understanding and respect. Communication dynamics can change for a variety of reasons, and it's crucial to consider the bigger picture. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.